Hello and welcome to a bonus video from SV Paquita. Back in the galley again, back with more mahi. Inside of 30 minutes, Bob has caught 3 very small mahis, but we're in international, we're 1,000 miles from anywhere out here, and we've got these mahis and they're the perfect size for us, so we're happy with them. I'm going to show you how to cook them up, how we've done this. I'd like to say that this is our new favorite way to do it. However, we still love the mahi burgers. We're going to have them tomorrow. But I attribute this to an old grouchy chief. When I was a deckhand, I worked with Bob Carter, and he was an old grouchy chief from Maine. And he just was one of those old guys who were working the engine room all day. And if you caught a fresh fish, he was out there. He'd get it and he'd cook it up. And he made mahi so good. It was, in fact, the first mahi I've ever eaten in my life. And he did it really simply, and we're going to do it the same way. So, come along. Amor,
yes.
¿Tú quieres esta la cámara para mí?
Vale, estoy,
Cuidado tú.
estoy aquí.
Sí, y a mí. Okay, so we've got a couple small little fillets here. Not a big deal. Oh, I hear
Bob's coming.
Bob's got another one coming, so while he reels that in, we'll do this real quick. I'm going to... Oh, we got a big one, he says.
That's too big, baby.
She says it's too big. So I'm going to put this into 4 pieces. I got to do this before he gets the thing close. I've got a pan. I'm going to get some olive oil. Just squirt the bottom of the pan with some olive oil. This is super simple.
That's the last one.
Yeah. She says that's the last one because we've got 3 mahis already.
It's 4 with this.
So I'm going to put this in. ¿Qué pasa?
4 con
Yeah,
este.
she says it's 4 that we've had. She said he's got so far. She says. All right, so let me put these in here like this. This one over like that. Oh, look at that. We filled it right up. Okay, so he's reeling that in. When you get it close, let me know. We'll change the camera. Are we ready to?
Yeah, well, I'm not close yet, but
Okay. When you get close, to let us know.
you know.
All right, so while this is happening, I'm just going to get a little bit of dill. This dill is like 10,000 years old, which we shouldn't be using, but we don't have anything else. So I'm going to put a little bit of dill, dried dill on top.
Got a lot of seaweed.
The boys are still...
A lot of seaweed, apparently.
That's all it was?
And a fish.
He thought he had a big fish. And it was, we're right in the middle of the sargassum, the seaweed that is taking over the Caribbean right now. So I've just put some dill in there. It smells really good right now. Now I'm putting some fresh ground pepper on here. I've talked about this before, but I love gadgets. My new favorite kitchen gadget is this USB chargeable pepper grinder. What's that?
It's coming. It's coming.
Oh, okay, go ahead. She's going to show you the fish now.
No! Wait, se fue.
What was it?
Se fue. Dile.
A big mahi? He's gone. Oh, well, that happens. Okay, amor, nosotros. Okay, so that one got away right at the boat.
Sorry.
No pictures of fish that got away.
Big face.
All right, so we put oil on the bottom. We've put mahi fillets in. We've put some fresh dill on there. Are you, amor, mira.
Yo estoy viendo.
Okay. And now all we do is get some butter, and it looks a little different just because that's the butter that we got in Europe.
Nah, he was bigger, but he wasn't that much bigger.
And we're gonna cut pieces of butter and put it on top. And you could even put some white wine on here if you wanted to, but I don't think we need to do that.
One
I
more
think it's
time.
good the way it is.
One more time.
So
You
I'm gonna
got
just put slabs of butter right on top, as thin as I can cut them.
On the end of that. Seaweed.
All right.
Weed.
Bob has got fishing. He's got the fishing fever. So every piece of weed that he catches, he thinks is a fish now. All right. So I'm just putting slabs of butter on here like you would cheese.
You're gonna have to bring it in anyway.
And if you say, "Oh my God, that's a lot of butter," don't worry. It all goes to the side. So it's just how you're cooking it. It's fine. All right. So that's that. Then I have some greens here. I would like to normally do this with cilantro because that's my thing, kind of my Latin heritage. But we don't have cilantro, but we have some greens in the way of parsley. So we will use some of that. Starting to go, so we're going to use a lot of it. So I just chop this up so that nobody gets a full mouthful. And we sprinkle that on top. I've got our barbecue going. I'm doing this on the barbecue because we aren't using the oven. But you could do this at home right in your oven. You don't have to do it in the barbecue. We do it in the barbecue because we're cool and we're 1,000 miles offshore. So that's kind of super cool. But other than that, you don't have to do any of that. So here we are. That's it. It's going to go on about 350 to 400. If you get it to 425, that's even better. Cook it for about, if it's at 425, you're only doing about 5-7 minutes, something like that. If it's 350, maybe you'll do 10 minutes. That's it. I would show you what it looks at the end, but I think you guys are just going to be jealous. So that's it. Little bonus video, and maybe Bob will catch another fish before the end of the night. You guys take care, be safe, and as always, I'll see you on the